Howdy YouTube, it's your buddy Ian, general contractor, and if you've been watching these YouTube shorts I've been doing on these wafer lights for your ceiling, here's another great tip. If you're going to install these wafer lights yourself, you're going to want to have a hole saw that's the exact size of the hole the wafer light is going to drop into. Let me show you that right here. This is the 6 3/8 hole saw you will need to cut this hole. Here I actually was able to cut this through plaster and drywall, which is what this ceiling is made of. But here it is, it's the Kobalt 6 3/8 saw. One of the best parts about this is it has a dust catch, a dust bucket that goes under the blade, which will catch all of the plaster and drywall dust for when you're cutting your hole to put in your wafer LED lights in your ceiling. Hope this helps.